Hi everyone, myself Linga Reddy. In this session we discuss measurement of electrode potential. The point number 1 here, it is not possible to measure the absolute value of the single electrode. The single electrode value we can't measure. Potential directly. It is not possible to measure the absolute value of the single electrode potential, right? I hope it is clear. We can't measure single electrode exert potential value, but we can measure difference in potential between two electrodes, right? Between the electrodes. For example, this is unknown electrode. We don't know the electrode potential value. We have to measure this electrode here. This is a reference electrode. This is unknown electrode. This is known electrode. The potential value is we knows that electrode is called reference electrode. Based on this reference, we can measure this value. So we can take the difference between this electrode and this electrode. The difference value we can measure that is electrode potential value. So who knows the electrode potential value? That is called reference electrode. This is called reference electrode. Reference electrode. Based on this reference, we can measure this electrode potential value. I hope it is clear. So here point number 3, this electrode is known reference electrode, right? Which one? This one. This is the A electrode, this is the B electrode. B electrode is known concentration electrode, is called reference electrode, right? What is the reference electrode? Let me explain. Here which type of electrode is we are taking. So next one here, reference electrode. Reference electrode. This is also called standard hydrogen electrode. We are taking here standard hydrogen electrode. This is also we can representation SHE or NHE, normal electrode or standard electrode. What is the standard? What is the standard? The electrode potential measure the standard electrode. The standard electrode potential measure at the concentration is 1 molarity and the temperature is 25 degrees temperature. That means 298 Kelvin temperature. right? We are measuring the electrode potential value at concentration is 1 molarity and 25 degrees temperature. This is called standard conditions, right? Let us discuss what is the SHE, the standard hydrogen electrode. Here, when beaker like we are taking like this. Here, 1 molarity of H plus concentration we are taking, right? And here platinum wire with the end, here we are taking with the end. Platinum black is there here. This is called platinum black electrode. Okay, this is covered by one glass here. Right, here the H2 gas is passes at 1 atm, right? The concentration of here the 1 molarity, right? This is the platinum wire, it is end of this, platinum black is there. The temperature maintaining 25 degrees temperature, right? The internationally agreement, the standard hydrogen electrode is the assigned the potential exactly equal to the E cell potential is equal to exactly plus or minus 0.00 volts. This is always the electrode potential value of hydrogen electrode. So sometime it is acting as a anode, sometime acting as a cathode. So if we get the positive value here and this electrode is 0, right, and sometime we will get negative, here the electrode potential is the 0. So this is the greater than this one, this is greater than this is the less than this. So based on these values we can measure the standard electrode potential value. Let me explain very clearly. For example, the electrode acting as a anode. So here electrode potential I am taking here. So this is electrode potential. Right, the electrode potential at anode. Here the anode 0.0 volts, right? So here at anode what happened? Oxidation taking place. So H2 gas it converted into 2 H plus ions plus 2 electrons, right? And next one at cathode, right? The cathode what happened? Reduction taking place. The electrode potential is same 0.0 volts. Here the 2 H plus ions and taking 2 electrons, and here reduction taking place, and here this is the happening in the cathode reaction and here anode reaction. I hope it is clear. What is the cell representation of anode? I am explaining here only the cell representation here. So H2 gas is converted into H plus ions, right? If the concentration will measure like this, we want to represent it. So here the H plus ion converted into H2 gas. The concentration here measure this concentration 1 molarity or 1 normality. I hope it is clear. Let me explain with the example. Right here connected with this is the zinc electrode. Here this is hydrogen electrode. We are connecting through the salt bridge, right? Now the electrons are flowing like this. So this is zinc as acting as a anode, this is acting as a cathode, right? I hope it is clear. Now we can measure the electrode potential value of the zinc. This is the hum meter. It gives the total electrode potential value here. Right. We can measure here the electrode potential. The formula is here. E cell is equal to E naught anode plus E naught cathode. This is the cathode. Right. I hope it is clear. So EMF of the cell is we getting here the value here 0.76. Right. This is a voltmeter. Right here he cell how much we getting here 0.76, and this is the anode anode E naught cell is we don't know. This is the anode E naught cell plus cathode E naught cell. This is a cathode. This is generally we know that the always hydrogen electrode potential value is 0. So that means what is the E naught anode cell potential? So that equal to here E naught anode equal to plus 0.76. So we are measuring at anode. This is the anode. We are measuring at the anode. So anode, what reaction taking place here? Oxidation, right? This value also we can call standard oxidation potential. What is that? Standard oxidation potential. I hope it is clear. We are measuring at anode, that is called oxidation potential. We want the reduction potential value. What we have to do? Just to change the sign. The oxidation potential nothing but what here? E naught cell oxidation, and zinc is converted into zinc plus 2. This is oxidation potential value. I hope it is clear. Then next one here, standard reduction potential value. Reduction potential value. So here the E reduction potential, zinc plus 2 converted into zinc, right? So sign become a opposite. So E naught cell the reduction potential is equal to, here become a minus 0.76 volts. I hope it is clear. Right, next one. Now we are measure the copper electrode potential value. With reference we are taking hydrogen electrode potential. Right. Second one here. This is the first thing, the measurement of electrode potential of zinc, right? Second one, a determination of standard electrode potential. Potential of copper plus 2 copper, reduction potential value. Here generally H2 gas converted into H plus ions, and here double arrows, salt bridge, copper plus 2 converted into copper ions. This is already we know that ABC representation. Anode, this is salt bridge, this is cathode, right? This is the positive charge, this is negative charge. I hope it is clear till now. So that means here H2 converted into 2H plus ions plus 2 electrons. The copper here, the copper plus 2 taking 2 electrons, it's converted into copper, right? Here oxidation taking place, here reduction, right? The EMF of cell equal to here we got EMF of cell equal to 0.76 0.34 volts, right? So E cell, what is the formula here? E cell is equal to E naught anode plus E naught cathode, right? Now we get this cell, cathode cell. So what is the E cell we'll get here? We got here E naught cell 0.34 volts equal to anode is hydrogen electrode, that is 0. Here place E naught cathode. We don't know cathode, we have to find out this one, right? So finally what we have get here, so this is the at reduction at cathode happening. Cathode nothing but what? Copper plus 2 converted into copper. So this is reduction happening. So this is called reduction potential value. So E naught value equal to here, E naught, we can just here the E naught equal to E naught cathode equal to E naught cathode equal to 0.34 volts. This is the standard reduction potential value of copper. I hope it is clear. Next one, this is the measurement of electrode potential value. And next one, EMF of galvanic cell. Next concept here, EMF of electromotive force of galvanic cell. Generally anode is there and cathode. The electrons flowing from anode to cathode, this is electron flowing. The cathode to anode here, the current flowing here, flow of current. Let me explain here EMF. What is the EMF? Right, the difference between the difference in potential of the two off cell is known as electromotive force. Electromotive force, that is nothing but EMF, right? That is also we can call cell potential. Generally the formula here, E naught cell is equal to, this is electromotive force, equal to here oxidation potential of anode place, right? This is oxidation potential of anode place E naught reduction potential value. So this is reduction potential of cathode. I hope it is clear. So one more formula is there, E cell value. E cell is equal to E naught cell cathode minus, this is the reduction potential value only, E naught reduction potential of cathode minus E naught reduction potential, standard reduction potential here, anode. This is also we can measure E cell is equal to E naught cell right minus E naught cell left, right? This is the left side, right? This is right side. Whatever we got, the potential of right side minus left side. I hope it is clear. This is the measurement of electrode potential value. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Next video we will discuss all relative problems here. along with the Nernst equation.